नमस्ते। कैम्ब्रिज की बात राम रैना के साथ इस प्रोग्राम में एंटायर कैम्ब्रिज फैमिली, टीचर्स, staff, my dear students, as well as parents. I welcome you all. And first of all, I will wish a very happy Deepavali to all. This Deepavali brings in your life health, wealth, and happiness. And definitely soon in 2020-21, we will all come together and celebrate all the events as we used to celebrate earlier in 2019. Dear parents, dear students, I appreciate your discipline, dedication, consistency, adaptation of situation throughout this pandemic with my teachers. I really appreciate that. Dear parents and dear students, it's a good news to all as Cambridge International School has decided 2 years back that we will going to have an expansion in all across India. This pandemic situation, the corona time made us to think more and more in that part, and it's a good news to all that Cambridge International School is opening a first franchisee in Himachal Pradesh, that is in Una. So it's a big achievement that the Cambridge International School is coming in Himachal Pradesh as well as Amravati, which is in process. So in future, the Cambridge International School is going to expand all states of India. That will really help our students to travel, to visit, to stay, and to learn the different states' value, culture, and education system. It's my privilege to be part of this organization, and it's privilege to have a parents and students like you. Dear parents, I know this situation goes in a different direction in terms of financials, business, salaries, and other things. Where Cambridge International School stood behind you since March till November. We have given you enough time to pay your installments. We have reduced, and rather than reduce, we have divided number of installments, given you enough free space to pay your fees as well. This time, as Diwali is also, we are celebrating the Cambridge International School, after hearing many parents, and as we have followed all the guidelines of government of India as well as government of Maharashtra, okay, and considering the overall infrastructural investment and school facilities and other things, we have decided that 6% discount will be applicable to all till 30th November of this month. Because as we have already finished September month is a regular installments, we have extended that installments, we have given all the slabs of installments, but as we have to close all the government guidelines in terms of admissions, in terms of and starting a new academic year from the December, right? So all new admissions is going to be start in the month of December. So this year's fees discount will be applicable till 30th November. Those who have paid full fees, it is also applicable to you all, that this discounts will be given to you in future communication as well. So dear parents, this is very important note for you all. Sports in Cambridge is already started. We have started tennis. We have started skating slowly with number of students. The cricket is already been started. Now December onwards, 1st December onward, other sports also we will going to start. One more most important thing, that as we have said that government norms, as per the government norm, 9th standard and 10th standard will be commencing from 1st of December. Okay, so all 9 10 standard students, okay, we will going to see you in school in December. We will not going to provide you any transportation for a while, because the transportation guidelines is not been given by the government, and we will also not hurry to start with it. Okay, so in the month of January, most probably rest of the higher standard classroom, the secondary, will reopen. Okay, all your examination, everything will be going to be taken care. Your papers we are receiving every day. That's very good efforts by my all students and teachers as well. I appreciate each and every person who involves, whether it is in administration department, marketing department, account department, housekeeping department, my teachers, my vice principal, principal, everyone. So on this word, I'll take this opportunity to wish you all very best in coming time, and prosperous new year as well. Thank you so much. Enjoy. Have a safe Diwali. Thank you.